I'm sitting here with Connor, who is one of our volunteers. Connor, how old are you?
9.
Connor was at camp with us last year when we did camp, and she is sitting here kind of wanting to talk about why camp and why Guardian Oak is so important. So Connor, what was the best things about camp, and why do you think it's important to have camp again?
Well, if you want to go to camp, kids need to learn how a part of the horse, learn activities about the horses, body parts of the horses, and try to learn what they do.
Yeah. And so, when we had camp last year, what did you learn? Did you learn to ride? Did you learn, what was the neatest things you learned?
We learned how to ride the horses. When kids are trying, when I was last year, I was riding the horse. They had a person like making them move. I'm just gonna be doing that the whole time.
Are you gonna help lead them? Yeah. That was kind of neat though, wasn't it? Learning to ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of did you get to use the rainbow reins? The ones with the different colors where you had to grab it to show how far up on their neck you needed to hold the rein?
No.
You didn't get to use those? Well, maybe this year we ought to use those. Are you gonna try to ride this year? You know, Mom's wanting to do it one-on-one this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Mom wants everyone to learn how to groom their horse before. Do you think that's a good idea? Yeah. Why do you think that's a good idea? Does that teach you responsibility?
To little kids. If we can do it to the older kids, the little kids can have the little activities, and one table. And then we can do the next activity, and then stuff like that.
I think that's a good idea.
And then if there's a swimming pool, they want to go swimming, we tell them, do you have a life jacket or anything? If they didn't bring one, I always bring mine.
Sounds like you learned quite a bit of responsibility last year and know what to do this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about the fact that I'm throwing 2 benefits to try to raise money for some feed for the horses and for the camp?
Yeah.
Do you think that's important?
The horse really needs fed.
Yeah.
So they can not get sick or not be hunger.
Was that kind of like a human? If you don't eat food, your belly hurts?
Usually mine growls all the time.
Yeah.
Oh. Don't eat a lot of breakfast with grease. Upsetting my stomach.
So, when you do that, you charge them money. So what would that money go to? Would it go to the horses, or what would that money go to?
It will go to the whole horse camp and stuff like that.
And would it go to feeding the horses that live where the horse camp is?
Just a little.
Just a little. You really want camp, don't you? Yeah.
I'm hopefully get to raid one of the horses this week and like that.
Yeah. Which horse is Gunner your favorite one to ride? Yeah. Is that who you rode at horse camp?
Yep.
Yep. What did he do? Isn't Gunner the one that picked up the stuffed cat in his mouth?
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, that was awesome. I'm like, it just looked like a baby to him.
It did.
And I remember the other boy horse.
Cordial?
Yeah.
Or Ebony? The black one or the black and white spotted one? Black and white spotted one? That's Cordial.
He's the one, when you say trot, he's like, dun, 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 and I'm like, whoa, that's funky. Dun, dun, dun. Like, whoa.
That's cool. And did you like the kids at camp? Were they all nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Emma, she was there last year.
Do you hope you see some of your friends from camp last year?
I hope.
And so what do you think would be good if another little kid wanted to come to Guardian Oak? What would you tell them about coming here and why you like to come?
Because you can learn and how to do things with the horse. How to what it's trying to talk about and what it can hear. And
so camp. We kind of were talking about camp a little bit. Why do you want to have camp? Tell me why camp was just so important to you and why we need to have it again this year for you and for any other little kid.
So you can, well, the reason why we need camp, so we can have things we can know about them, learn, and teach. So we can all do these things with other little kids. And so they can know about horses when they grow up.
Yeah. And do you think that's important?
Yes.
Yes. You had a chance to tell anyone or say anything to them about Guardian Oak that you would want to tell them?
This is like a horse camp. You do a lot of things with people and you're supposed to wear a helmet when they tell you to wear a helmet.
Yeah, you need to wear a helmet when they tell you to wear a helmet. Why do you wear a helmet?
So you don't get hurt.
Very good. And it's important, right? Yeah.
Like if you didn't have a helmet and you crashed and you might hurt your head.
Yeah.
Really bad.
So, anything else you want to tell them about camp or about Guardian Oak, about the horses or any of that?
No.
No? Okay.
Goodbye. Thanks for listening.